owangithatha wangibeka endaweni eba owangithatha wangibeka endaweni eba owangithatha wangibeka endaweni eba.
With these kids, I've got a lot of hopes.
They want to go and sing. They want to go and show people how do we sing, how do we dance.
They love music. Even the community, they love music.
I think music means a lot to our kids.
I was singing since when I was 8 years old. Since the year started, I've been singing choir.
I practice with the choir every day.
Dance and singing is my skill, and I love it.
I like singing because it's very exciting to me.
Music is important in my life.
It makes me feel special. Music makes me feel very emotional because some things get very difficult in life and need music to set you free.
Project Zulu is an educational partnership between UWE Bristol and schools in township and rural areas of KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa. We organise and facilitate volunteering opportunities for both staff and students from UWE Bristol in schools within the South African partnership. Choir tours are a key element of Project Zulu. Every 2 years, we bring a choir comprised of children from 2 of the schools in the partnership over to the UK for 3 weeks, and they perform traditional Zulu songs and dances, gospel songs, gumboot dancing, and a whole range of traditional South African cultural activities. And all the money they raise while they're over on tour is used to develop their schools. We have built classrooms, we've installed solar panels, we've built sports fields, we've bought IT equipment like interactive whiteboards and laptops and reading books. And the difference that building a new classroom makes, for example, is huge.
Our school has got a lot of learners, 1,556 learners, and we've got only 28 classrooms. So we are overcrowded in our classrooms. We've got plus minus 70, 80 in the classroom.
So if we can build new classrooms and enable those kids to just spread out a little bit more, it just improves their learning opportunities a great deal. It lowers the teacher-pupil ratio. It means that teachers are able to give individual attention to children. If you've got 70 kids in your class, it's almost impossible to really understand the learning needs of each of them as individuals. Where we've built sports facilities, we now see kids who would otherwise be just playing sports barefoot on scrub land, and they now have high quality and secure, dedicated spaces for sports. And of course, the impact of sports and recreation on well-being and community and all of those things is well known. One of the wonderful things about the choir tours is that it really is an opportunity for the schools to earn their own money to develop their schools. We're not giving handouts, and in many ways it's not charity. It's all their hard work. The kids are performing more or less every day, and every penny that we raise goes directly back in to develop their schools, which benefits the kids themselves, but also future generations.
I've been long here. I know the culture of the community. I know the culture of the school. I've been here for a long time. I've seen a lot of people, most of the people here have been taught by me. And I've been training them, the Zulu dances. And those that I was teaching long before in 1999, they're having kids here. I'm teaching their kids now. There are 2 schools that will be touring UK next year, 2023. It's Mtimande Primary and Jobstown Primary School. For next year, we're going to have the Kampu dance. We're going to have Indlamu. We have got Umshado, which is the traditional wedding songs. We've got Ingoma, Yezintombe, which is the girls' dance, and gospel music. The kids are very, very excited to go to UK because it's going to be their first time going to the UK. It's going to be the first time being out of this area, Blowwatch. It's going to be the first time to be out of the country. So they are very excited, even their parents are very excited.
My name is Ndumiso Zungu. I work at Mtimande Primary School. I am a music teacher and I am also a choir conductor for Project Zulu choir. They are so excited. You can even see that in our rehearsals. They want to go and showcase their talents. They want to go and sing. They want to go and show people there how do we sing, how do we dance. They want to show them our music.